Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have the weekly update that was for Google Chrome and the Chromium browsers. Well, it now is on Edge. So if you are using Microsoft Edge, was released late yesterday, March the 12th, and it probably is being pushed out to your favorite browser if you're on Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, anything that is Chromium based. So go check for your updates. Make sure that you will apply these updates to stay safe. On Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, and about Microsoft Edge will bring you to 134.0.3124.66. So, of course, this is your first line of defense, since that's what's protecting you from the web, and the security flaws are important to fix in order to stay safe on every browser, of course, including the different Chromium browsers. Once again, somebody asked me the question that I will answer here. The fact that there's a delay between the official release of the security updates for Google Chrome, for example, and other browsers that sometimes take a few days, does it actually cause a risk? Technically, it does, but it's a calculated risk, because what happens is Chrome and the Chromium project usually do not disclose much information about the security flaws. So you might know where the security flaw is, but you might not know what the security flaw how to exploit it. So because they don't give any details, unless it's a 0 day, when it is a 0 day, that is much more of a problem, because yes, the few days in between means there could be, it could be used as a vector for a attack or for malware. But overall, it's a minimal risk, because there's really not a lot of information disclosed. So update your browsers. Make sure that you are up to date to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.